We have just learned that a patient with the deadly Ebola virus is soon going to be coming to U.S. soil. Here's what we know about this. Emory University Hospital in Atlanta is preparing a special isolation unit to receive this patient who has Ebola. There's a warning to travelers to avoid countries in West Africa dealing with the outbreak right now. Doctors are closer to a vaccine, we are told. More than 700 people have died from the outbreak so far, and more than 1,300 others have been infected in West Africa. 2 of them Americans. Local 2's Ryan Korsgaard joining us live from Bush Intercontinental Airport tonight, where help from Houston is on the way to fight this outbreak. Ryan?
Bill, in 2 weeks, a man will get on an airplane here, fly 5,500 miles around the world to try and help control this virus. The director of the high containment laboratory operations at the Galveston National Lab and a professor at UTMB heads to West Africa to help control the spread of Ebola.
What the assistance is all about is bringing more rigor to the control efforts.
Dr. Thomas Kaisak has worked with the infectious diseases all around the world and co-discovered SARS.
So I've got some experience, and one of the difficulties that they run into is this outbreak has now been ongoing for quite some time.
In August, he leaves for Sierra Leone for a month to help control the spread of Ebola.
Is if they've gotten sick out in the community, you want to identify who they've already been in contact with and keep a close eye on those people.
The doctor says his biggest concern is for those frontline healthcare workers and the ones who drive the ambulances and even bury the dead.
I don't feel that people who do this sort of thing are in danger. It's really patient contact.
He and his colleagues at UTMB are working on a possible vaccine for Ebola. They say it has proven successful in lab tests.
The biggest challenge we face with Ebola is that there's no commercial market. So no big pharma is really pushing this along in a main track. So the government has filled in, and they're pushing just like we would any vaccine for normal use in the general population.
Now, we have learned there are containment zones at 20 airports across the country, including here at Bush Airport, to help control the spread of these diseases. We're live at Bush Airport tonight. Ryan Korsgaard, KPRC, Local 2.